Amazon said no to your appeal. Here's the ultimate guide in turning that no into a yes. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to start selling on Amazon even if you're already suspended. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. Alright, so I made a beautiful sheet just for you on account suspension and getting your account reinstated. Also, at the end of the video, remember we're going over how to get reinstated right away and start selling, but why your appeal got denied, how to get it approved. We have regular tips you can find these on the internet from doing research. And then I also have expert tips that you can find if you talk to an Amazon expert, which maybe you have, maybe you haven't, right? Then we have some different appeals that I've used in the past to get our clients reinstated. Now, here's an example of an appeal that got denied. And I want you to go through this really quick and see why did this appeal get denied, okay? Now, right from the get, I want to tell you, without reading it, it's too long. Okay, so if your appeal is too long, it will get denied, right? If your appeal keeps saying, it says we, it will get denied. You need to take full accountability. Stop saying we, say I. It shouldn't be that long, right? So those are the main reasons that this appeal automatically, if I just looked at it, it got denied. I don't know, Amazon is more than just a platform for us. It's a partner in our journey, every policy. So pretty much they're saying they're trying to plead and or beg. It's like going up to a judge and saying, the US is amazing. I love it so much, but I broke the rules and sped once, but I know that being safe and all that, by staying with the guidelines, we've not only maintained spotless record, but also gained respect of our peers and customer. It's like some bullshit. So again, you don't want to really be talking about yourself. You want to be straightforward, and I'm going to show you an appeal that did work and did get approved recently. Now here it is. This one is actually regarding document manipulation approval. And yeah, it was very short. You can see how short and sweet it is. Right to the point, concise, coherent, compendious. That's how you want your appeals to be. And I'm going to be giving you pro tips. But anyway, this is the exact appeal pretty much we used. I changed a little bit of the sections so you didn't know the people or the ASINs. But I'm writing this response to the notification regarding the policy violation for FBA shipment. I take this matter seriously. I would like to clarify that no documents, including invoices, have been altered or manipulated in any way. Now, this is the opening sentence, and it needs to be extremely direct. It's not that I accidentally or maybe, it's no. I have never, ever manipulated any invoices or documents in any way. Extremely specific, extremely direct, and a bit aggressive. This is how you want to write appeals. So if somebody's reading this, they're like, well, they're saying they didn't, and here's the evidence on why I didn't. I provided the date, the screenshot, PDF, the invoice, case ID, PDF, BOL, everything, where if Amazon looked at this, bada bing, and then we had that closing out, we provided the actual authenticity and different records on who Amazon, I was like, look, Amazon, if you contact this company right here, they'll even say it's authentic. Here's all of their information. And then that pretty much got them to shut up and everything was good to go. Now, you can kind of see the differences in the appeal. So I want you to realize that and go over that. And now we're going to go over regular tips on your appeal. Ensure the appeal is not too long. Remember, maximum 2 pages, minimum a half a page. Can't be too long or too short. Now you saw that one that I said that was too long. I think 2 pages is a bit long. Provide PDF documents as evidence. Whenever possible, provide PDF documents. You can provide like screenshots, JPEGs, JPGs, PNGs, whatever, but the PDFs are usually work the best. Now, if you do provide a PDF, ensure it's not editable. It's not editable, right? So on a PDF, if you can highlight, like see, if let's say this is a PDF and you can highlight stuff that's editable, that is a no-go. You can't be able to edit it, right? So if you pretty much had a piece of paper and took a screenshot, a picture of it on your phone, it wouldn't be, you can't like highlight it with your mouse. So that's what Amazon wants. Use Amazon policies and URLs. This helps big time when you actually cite Amazon's policies and said that you reviewed their policies and this is the exact area, right? Ensure to call Amazon if not accepted. So you can actually call Amazon and ask them, why is the appeal not getting accepted? What needs to be added to the appeal? Sometimes it's just one thing that the representative says. And I recommend to call 2 to 3 reps before. You don't just call one rep and trust them. Call a couple reps, right? Just take your time. Wait an hour, call another rep, wait an hour, call another rep. Sometimes Amazon just doesn't accept the appeal on the first time. They have a quota on how many they're allowed to accept, so just keep that in mind that you might not have missed the quota. And remember that an actual human is reviewing your work. So the accept and the deny varies on the human that's reviewing your work. Remember to pretend you're submitting your case to a judge, right? So you want it to be very strict, to the point, aggressive, formal. You don't want it to have any BS in it, as if you were submitting it to a judge and you're an attorney. Remember to use I. When you go to sleep at night, you want to think, I did everything I could in the last appeal. If a judge reviewed it in court, they would completely understand your side of the story, and how much effort you put into the appeal, right? So that's a big one too. If you're adding all these attachments and stuff like that, you're providing a lot of effort. You can see that in the approved appeal, we added six different, not screenshots, but attachments to the appeal that help prove we did effort. We have a screenshot, we have a PDF showing the exact email to show that it wasn't manipulated. We have the actual invoice, a screenshot of the case ID showing a request of investigation. We put the shipment ID, we put the actual email of the manufacturer, the PDF policy, a stamped BOL that we got. We couldn't get it ourselves. We had to get it from the manufacturer. So we have a lot of different documents. We put effort into it. Now here's the expert tips. Is number one, after you write a good appeal, have ChatGPT take each section and make it more concise. So what you can do is just copy this section right here. Just one section. I don't recommend doing the whole appeal. Do one section at a time. It's gonna be much easier that way, and then ChatGPT is less likely to F up. So you're gonna copy this, and then you're gonna put into ChatGPT and then just say, hey, see the paragraph above, make it more concise. They're gonna help you make it more concise. And that's going to help big time take out a lot of the fluff, and it's gonna make it look a lot better. Again, same thing for this one, and then you just need to go from there. That's gonna help big time. Ensure you stay on as a professional seller so you can continue to sell on Amazon. So if you want to call Amazon, which I recommend, that's going to help you. You can call Amazon even when you're suspended, but you have to be a professional seller. Professional sellers, it's like $39.99 per month. So just make sure you don't end that. Don't downgrade. Stay as a professional so you can keep calling Amazon. They will keep charging you, but that's the only way you can call Amazon. If you don't do that, then you won't be able to call them. Now, if you wanted to call Amazon, you can simply go to YouTube, and I have a YouTube video. Just type in how to call Amazon when suspended. Once you're here, you'll see I pop up right here, and you can see how to call Amazon when suspended if you don't know how. Now, when you call Amazon, you can actually ask them, most people don't know this, you can ask Amazon to escalate it. So if somebody at Amazon is an asshole and they just keep denying your appeal, you can actually, when you call Amazon, try to make friends with them and be like, yeah, you know, I'm trying my best. I did this, I did this, I did that. I did so much. I've been trying really hard. Can you escalate this internally for me? I think this appeal should be accepted. They can escalate it. They can escalate it to their boss. They can escalate it up the chain of command, and they can escalate it so hard. All you have to do is just make friends with them and make them care and believe you. So that's a huge thing that you can do. Now, most of the people you're going to call at Amazon do suck, but a lot of the times you can actually call somebody to help you. And then you can escalate your appeal yourself to the executive team at Amazon. Now this one's different than calling Amazon and having them escalate it. You can actually escalate it to a whole different team, a whole different executive department, and this has worked to get our clients reinstated several times. Now you just have to go to YouTube, type in how to escalate your Amazon suspension to executives, click enter, and then boom, here is the video right here. It's got a little Amazon letter, whatever. But pretty much what this did, we did this, and then within 30 days, a client's account was just automatically reinstated. No additional appeal, nothing else was submitted. It was just automatically reinstated. So it does work, right? And then we have some different appeals that you can see. Here's a counterfeit appeal. So this is the plan of action was denied. So we wrote a different one. We have invoices attached, and pretty much, again, short and sweet. The text on this is really large, but it was short and sweet. I'm gonna zoom out, right? So that's an example of a counterfeit appeal, order defect rate appeal. And again, the spacing is really off, but you can kind of see what we did here. Used sold as new appeal, part 1, part 2, answering Amazon. Amazon asked these questions directly. So we kind of made sure that we answered them in depth. We've got a generic appeal, the issues that we have identified, the root cause of an infringement, the actions we have taken to make sure to resolve it, the steps we have taken to prevent it going forward. These are kind of like the basic ways on getting an account reinstated. And then a related account suspension, which is a pain in the ass suspension, but pretty much we were able to get an account that was related to another one reinstated as well. And these are kind of the step-by-step that we used as well for that. Now, those tips should definitely help you get your account reinstated, especially the escalation tips and the expert pro tips that most people don't know about. Now, the next thing is, for staying towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to start to sell on Amazon again, even if you're already suspended. And the key to do that is with a stealth account. Now, an Amazon stealth account is a second Amazon Seller Central account. Just this one, Amazon doesn't know it's owned by you. They think it's owned by somebody else. It's not connected to your first account. Hence, you're able to start selling again. Who's it for? It's those who have a suspended account and want to sell on Amazon again. Also those who want protection by having multiple accounts not connected to each other. I currently have 4 stealth accounts myself, and my company has helped to make 5 stealth accounts for my clients to this day, and none of them are suspended. I actually have a stealth account right here, or pretty much this is how we manage our clients and create stealth accounts. And you can see it's a computer in a computer. It's pretty darn awesome. And I have a cybersecurity background, so once you learn how to do this, it can help in many areas of life and not just Amazon. Now, I've decided to create a free video on how it works. So all you have to do is just type into YouTube, how to create stealth account Amazon. Let's type that in, how to create stealth account Amazon. And then there I show up with how to create a stealth account. Now I just give you the basics. If you kind of already know what you're doing, I show you how to do it. But then there's also a link in the description on a full how to create a stealth account course. Now, I do give a lot of information on how you can do it yourself, and this is kind of like the steps. But if you want the in-depth tutorial on how to do it, then I have that right here. So pretty much the thing I saw is that there's nobody else that actually teaches you how to do this. They just talk about it. You can create a stealth account. You just need these things, but they don't actually show you. So in the course, I actually show you how to do it step by step by step, right? So that's pretty much what you need to do. And in the link, if you go to the link, open up in incognito mode, it's on Udemy. So here it is, how to create an Amazon stealth account. I made it short and sweet and concise, so it goes right to the point, how to create it, what to do, what tools to use, how to make sure it doesn't get connected to your old account. Like, I've already done this plenty of times, and the accounts are not suspended, the ones that I've done for myself and the ones that I've done for multiple clients. It's got pretty good ratings, and if there's some issue, I'm sure you can just reach out to Udemy and just be like, I want a full refund. You can get a full refund. You can always contact us too for help, and that's what clients do all of the time. So why did we do this? So it's pretty much so many times Amazon suspends a seller for complete bullshit and fake reasons. So I was just sick of it. My clients are sometimes getting randomly suspended for complete BS, and we have to get them reinstated, which is a pain in the butt. It's always good to have a backup stealth account. Why isn't it completely free, the Udemy course? Well, I don't want any Chinese sellers who got suspended to just come in my course and create new accounts. I hate Chinese sellers, most of them, not all of them, but most of them, they just keep creating fake products and it just gets real messy. So I didn't want to make it completely free. If you have questions, you can just reach out to me in the YouTube. We have our links, ehpconsultinggroup.com in the description. I'm not going anywhere, so feel free to just reach out. Questions. Is it illegal? No, but it's frowned upon in Amazon's eyes. So it's like riding a bike without a helmet on. Some people, especially if you're younger, people are going to be like, you need a helmet. You need, it's the same. You can't do that. It's frowned upon, right? You're not going to get in trouble. I'm here to help my clients sell and succeed on Amazon. If you can't even sell on Amazon, then pretty much I'm not going to be in business. So it's a win-win for everybody. You can always figure it out yourself with a lot of research, but I've already done this over 9 times, like creating stealth accounts already for me and for multiple clients. So you can just learn from me, completely up to you. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new, smash that like button. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help creating a stealth account, getting your account reinstated, any listing optimization, increasing your sales, whatever it is regarding Amazon, we specialize in Amazon directly. You can just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. Our link's right in the description. You can schedule a call or reach out to us on your free time. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.